Compliments of the season, friends. How are you guys enjoying the holidays? For me, I'm enjoying it. So, do you know that making your egusi soup with scent leaf, that is nchao in Igbo, is the best thing that can ever happen to you, especially in this holiday season. I tell you, I made this soup on Christmas Day. One of my brothers that came around, he was not able to take swallow in my house because he was already filled up with rishi parfait rice. So he asked that I package the food for and the soup for him. My God, do you know? He called me. The next day he was telling me, please order my soup. He was asking if it would be possible for me to send more. Even if it's just 1 spoon, even if it's just 2 spoons, I should send it to him. Like, guy, that egusi soup was everything. Like, is a hit. I was already tired before making this soup, so I was just doing my thing straight. But I will explain. What I have here is my chicken. I seasoned with only salt and seasoning cube. Then I blended fresh pepper. You know, it's soup. Like, you don't need curry, you don't need all those things. Now I move over to the leaf. This is my nchao leaf, that is scent leaf. It's not just, we're not just going to slice it up and put in the soup. That is how we prep it. So I'm going to pick them from the stock. I'm going to pick everything behind the camera. So the next is to wash it and set it aside. In my pot, I have some red oil. Adding, like I told you guys, I was already tired while making. That's why, as I'm not saying you just, but you understand the video. So I just added onion. I just added my onion to the red oil. I'm using bell peppers as usual. I'm using tatashi. So this is it. This is a mixture of tatashi, little shombo, and atarodo. Tatashi, little shombo, and atarodo. There is no tomatoes. And for my voice, I'm sorry, the cold affected my voice. So allow the sauce, the pepper, to dry. As we are doing that, I'll move over to get my egusi ready. Normally I add water, like I turn it into paste completely, but for this one I wanted it to fry faster. If you are new here, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is 2024, we are entering, and you are still watching my videos without subscribing, or the normal, is it good? Shana, like this we go the day for 2024? No, now. So here is my scent leaf. I just washed. What you do is just wash and blend, just the same way you wash your bitter leaf. You can use your hand or you blend. I prefer blending. And guys, after blending, we wash. I rinse it up to 3 to 4 times. And here is our nchao for the soup. So set it aside. OMG, what really happened? Okay, I can explain. I'm sorry, I thought my camera was actually recording. I didn't know the thing was paused. Before I started adding the egusi, I made sure that the pepper was dry, just like when you're making your jollof rice. Then the next thing is you now stir. After stirring, to be sure that there is nothing, as in it didn't stick to the pot. Now start putting the egusi, and after that, please don't stir immediately after putting the egusi. Allow it to stay, as in to set in the oil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm back now. I don't even understand what I'm doing. What is it? Is it because I was tired while making this soup? Imagine, I came back and I started stirring without even showing you guys. So I just added my seasoning cube and my crayfish, ground crayfish. I like frying the crayfish together with the egusi. There is this sweetness it has, so I'll combine everything and continue my stirring. So this is my dried catfish. I think I enjoy this soup just with catfish and this chicken. I don't like using stockfish for this recipe. Stockfish gives it that strong, that strong taste. I don't really like the taste to be that strong. So I just added water and cover. Please, after adding water, don't stir, just cover, so that the egusi will continue to cake. Now you can stir. Do you see those lumps? I didn't want it to be that lumpy. It has just small lumps and it's fine. This chicken was so tasty, guys. Sometimes you don't even need seasoning this chicken curry time to season our chicken. All these things, sometimes they hide the real taste of the chicken or the flavor. But this one that I just made plain, like only seasoning cube and salt with pepper. This chicken na togodi go. So I just added some salt. I'm seasoning again, and I noticed the soup was kind of thick. I don't want it that thick, so I'm adding some more water. So without stirring, we cover the pot. Sorry guys, my voice. See egusi soup. This egusi tell me if you'll be making this for your family this coming New Year celebration. So now we will stir gradually. Hope you have subscribed to my channel. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. Please do, and give this video a thumbs up. The egusi is properly cooked now. Go ahead to add our leaf. If you want to finish this egusi, if you know what enjoyment promise is, try using semo or pounded yam for this egusi. Gari is good though. You see, semo and pounded yam. Oh my god. Hey. I'm trying to add the whole thing. I didn't want it to be too much, so I added a little at first, but I noticed that there is need for more. Guys, I'm adding more water too, but then use hot water at this point. I added more hot water. See soup. If you want your own to be that thick, there's no need adding water, but then this is fine for me. I have kids that will enjoy this soup, so they need to be seeing water. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, share the video to your family and friends so that they will learn too. And then subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you.